Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ranjit and I'm here with the review about, actually a 1 year review about the Interceptor 650, and I just got the second servicing done. It's done just 7,500 odd kilometers, uh, and amidst the lockdown, I lost out on 2-3 months. I could have actually done something around 10,000 is where the service schedule starts. Nevertheless, I am at the moment. You can see the premise where I am in is actually the Decathlon premise, and you see the beautiful area they have. As everywhere, they've got very huge campus area where it's a beautiful location, and you can somehow manage to do some video. So here is my steed there. You can see it here. So over to the changes what I'm seeing, and I'll just take you through what are the changes I saw after the servicing, and my review on. Okay friends, now you can see this is my bike after the second service. I've actually parked it in my car parking area. So first thing which I had noted and requested the service person to take care of was I had seen some rust happening right in the starting itself. That is when I did my completed my 500 kilometers. There itself there were rust happening in these areas, and it gradually grew over the period of time. So I had noticed it and put a word to him, to the service person. He said that they'll talk to the company and they'll find out a way, because a lot of vehicles have got the same problem. So so in the second servicing, I made it a point that I mentioned that to him, and what he did was, as in the earlier one, they consulted with the company and they cleaned it, and that they applied some kind of a paint there, and they said that that problem will not happen. So I think as for now, this has been cleaned and the paint has been applied, maybe some anti-rust paint or something, but as per the spec of the company. The second thing I wanted to do was to put a radiator guard, because I've seen a lot of vehicles, lot of bikes having it, but then I postponed it for that moment. The third thing what I had in mind was to also put a bash plate, because again there are a lot of stories about the thing, some damages happening if there's no bash plate. But at the moment I've still put that also. Maybe in a later stage I'll do that. Now, as you see, the fourth thing what was in my mind was about the seat. Now, seat is kind of soft, and it starts hurting if you're driving for anything above 50 kilometers odd. It starts pinching, and So I tried out the touring seat. Actually, I got it fixed on my bike and sat and saw, but actually it's difficult for us to assess straight away. So I'll probably take a call on it in the latest stage now. Other thing I can show you is that this, as you see, is a chrome tank. So there are some scratches. What happens? Although I have done a ceramic pro coating on it, but the guys themselves told me that the chrome part is very difficult to manage, and you'll always have this mild scratches happening, and nothing can be done apart from, or else you'll have to put a PPF, that is a film on top, but I didn't want to do that. So anyway, so there are small scratches, but you can't avoid it. But I really like the color. So anyway, the other thing which I put was the four gaiters. Now this was in my mind for quite some time, and it has made the bike look slightly more muscular in the front, and I think it's gone now, looks much better than the earlier one, kind of sporty. If you see after the servicing is done, you see the oil levels. The fresh oil has made the vehicle performing very smooth, and there's no sound. This overall grunt has made it. The engine cover has got this problem of stain marks appearing, but although I have reduced it because in the Ceramic Pro I got some polish done on it, so that much is not happening, but I do clean it once in a while myself, so not much of a problem is there. So this is one of the a few things which I uh, would like to share. That is, after the second servicing done, these are the few things I specifically asked for and got it done. The only additional thing, as I showed you, was the 4 gaiters. Otherwise, two things are pending. That is the radiator guard and the sump plate. Maybe in a later stage I'll do, and even this touring seat. I'll look at it after some. My vehicle was completing 1 year in the month of April, but due to the lockdown, the company had extended it to June. So as soon as the thing got over, when the lockdown was eased out, so I got my vehicle service. There are issues where there a couple of vehicles were being serviced without the gasket and the oil filter being changed because the supplies was not happening from Chennai. So once that supply, then I was also offered the same, but I said no. Once I'll get it done, only once the the spare parts are there, and I don't want to do it half-heartedly. So as soon as it arrived, I got a call from my service advisor uh, from St. Mary's Motors, Cochin, and I rushed and I got my servicing done. My reviews about service is excellent. I think the vehicle is now moving quite smooth, and I really like the way it's moving now because of the engine oil change become much more smoother, and the grunt has also mated down. I think it's slightly softened up, and the pickup and everything it really gives you a very happy feeling. So 1 year with Interceptor has been excellent, and I think I'll take some this year after the lockdown is over. Maybe I'll go through some good tours if possible. Till then, always take care, ride safe.